Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mindfully Kiki, and welcome to day 3 of Whole, a 21-day yoga journey. I am Kiki, your yoga and mindfulness instructor, and I am here to help you add a little mindfulness into your life through yoga, meditation, self-care techniques, and more. So today we're going to explore a walking balance. And if you know me, you know I love a good walking balance. So this flow will both test your balance and help you to improve it. So, what you'll need for this practice is a yoga mat, of course, and 2 yoga blocks. And if you don't have yoga blocks, I always say that you can use disinfectant wipe containers or 2 hardcover books, preferably the same size. So, grab what you need and we will get started. So, we're going to start at the back of the mat. So you can have your feet together or hip width apart, whichever works better for you. We're going to start in our mountain pose with 3 deep breaths, inhaling through the nose and exhaling out of the mouth. So when you're ready, let's inhale, open the mouth and exhale. Inhale, open the mouth and exhale. One more time, inhale, open the mouth and exhale. And then shifting our weight into our left leg, we're going to start balancing on the left leg with the right knee up. Shifting your weight to the left, coming to the ball of the right foot when you're ready. Lifting the right knee. And hold here for a full breath. Extend that leg forward and take a small step. Come onto the ball of the left foot. Ground into your right leg. You can bring the ball of the left foot to meet the right. And then when you're ready, lifting the left knee for your balance. Extend and step. Come onto the ball of the right foot. Shifting your weight into your left leg this time. You can bring the ball of your right foot beside the left. When you're ready, you can lift the right knee. Hold for a breath. Extend and step. Come onto the ball of the left foot. Shifting your weight to your right leg. You can bring the ball of the left foot up to the right foot. When you're ready, lifting the left knee up and balancing. Extend forward and step. So we are at the top of the mat. If you're off a little bit, just walk back onto the mat. We'll go through a half sun salutation here. So inhale, reach your arms out and up. Exhale, coming forward and down into your forward fold. Inhale to your half forward fold. Exhale, forward fold. From here, we're going to step back to plank. Step your right foot back and then your left. And then we're just going to start to walk the hands back. So we're coming to the back of the mat into a forward fold. And then inhale to your half forward fold. Exhale, hands down to the mat, forward fold. Inhale, bend your knees, reach your arms out and up. Coming to stand. And exhale, arms down by your side. Coming back into our mountain pose, our Tadasana. And you can go ahead and walk to the back of the mat if you're not there already. So this is where our blocks are going to come in. We're going to add in a little bit of pyramid pose. So just have your blocks to the side and you can grab them when you need them. So starting with your weight, shift it into your right leg this time. Coming to the ball of the left foot. When you're ready, you can lift the left knee. Just for a breath. Extend that leg forward and step. So we're going to turn this right foot out to the side just a little. Keep both legs straight. And then you're going to hinge at the hips, bringing the arms forward. This is where you can grab your blocks. Now the blocks are optional. And they're just there so that you can keep your spine straight. Your gaze can be straight down to the floor. And if you're not doing with the blocks, you can have your hands coming down to the mat. Take a breath here. And then putting the blocks off to the side, hands to your hips, lifting up. Come onto the ball of that right foot. Shift your weight into your left leg. You can bring the right foot up to meet the left. When you're ready, we'll lift the right leg and balance. Balance for at least a full breath. And then extend that foot forward and step. Same thing here. We're going to turn the left foot out to the side just a little. Have both legs straight. And your hips are facing forward, torso is facing forward. And then we're going to hinge at the hips, coming down. Your fingertips can reach for the mat or you can reach for your blocks here. And just know that the further down you take your upper body, the more you're going to feel that stretch in the calf all the way up into the hamstring and maybe into the hip. Breathe here. And then put your blocks off to the side, hands to your hips, lifting up. Coming to the ball of the left foot. Shift your weight into your right leg. You can bring your left foot up to meet the right. And when you're ready, we'll lift that left knee. And hold here for a full breath. Extend it forward and step. And then we're going to turn that right foot out to the side, keeping both legs straight, having the hips and the torso facing forward. And when you're ready, hinging forward, bringing the hands down to either the mat or to your blocks, whichever is working for you in this balance. Make sure you're breathing here. And then blocks off to the side, hands to your hips, lifting up. Coming to the ball of the right foot. And you can bring that right foot to meet the left. I'm just going to walk back so that I'm still on my mat. Shift your weight into your left leg. And then one last time, we're going to lift this right knee up. Hold here for a breath. And then extend it forward and step. Turning that left foot out to the side a little. And then when you're ready, hinging forward at the hip and bringing the hands down to the mat or to your blocks. Breathe here. And then lifting up, go ahead and step the left foot forward. And we'll go ahead and move the blocks back down the mat. We'll come back to our mountain pose. Going through our next half sun salutation. Inhale, reach your arms out and up. Exhale, coming down to a forward fold. Inhale to your half forward fold. Exhale, forward fold. This time, stepping the left foot back and then the right. Come into our plank. Shift back to your downward facing dog. And then start to walk your hands back towards the back of the mat. And take your time. We'll meet in our forward fold at the back of the mat. And then inhale to your half forward fold, hands beside your legs, your shins. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, bend the knees, reach the arms out and up. Exhale, arms down by your side. And then last balance, we're going to add a little triangle pose into this. So walking to the back of the mat one more time. Shift your weight to your left leg. And then when you're ready, lift your right leg or your right knee. Hold. And then extend that foot forward. Take a bigger step. Turn that left foot out to the side a little. And then we're going to bring our arms out, turn our torso to the left. And then we're going to reach forward and down. So you can bring your hand down to the mat, or again, you can use your block. Keep the top arm reaching up towards the ceiling. Breathe here. And then coming up, hands to your hips. You can put your block off to the side. We'll come into the ball of the left foot. Shift your weight into your right leg. Bring the left foot up to meet the right. And when you're ready, we'll lift the left knee up. Breathe here. Extend that foot forward and step. And then turn the right foot out to the side. We're going to turn our torso to face the right. Both legs are straight, arms are out to your side. And then we're going to reach down or forward and down. Again, you can bring your fingertips down to the mat, or you can grab for your block. Let the top arm reach towards the ceiling. Take a breath here. And hands to your hips, block off to the side, lifting up. And we'll step our right foot up to meet the left at the top of the mat. And we're ending in our mountain pose. And with our 3 breaths, inhaling through the nose, exhaling out of the mouth. We'll stand tall, reach your shoulders up towards your ears, and then down and back. Take a deep breath in and out. Another breath in and out. One last time, inhale and exhale. And that's it for day 3. And now I want to hear from you. How was your balance today? Did it get better the more we moved throughout the practice? Let's talk about it in the comments. And this is a great time for you to reflect on your practice, whether you sit and think about it for a few moments or whether you choose to write it down. And don't forget to check out my other yoga flows, meditations, and vlogs. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can be notified when I upload new videos. And always, always, always remember to add a little mindfulness into your life and be mindfully true. But most importantly, be mindfully you. I'll see you all tomorrow for day 4 of our 21-day yoga journey.